In the last step, we learned how to set an out point to tell Premiere Pro where we wanted to end our selection of the clip before we put it onto the timeline. Now let's learn about how to tell it where to start. So we're going to open up Kitten 8 Movie here, and watch your ears because this might be a little bit loud. You can see here that we've got a bunch of stuff before we actually get to the point where we want to start the edit, which is right about here. So what we're going to do is we're going to set an in point, and that obviously is a very easy section. You just press I, but what I'm going to do is make sure that I get to the point that I want it. So to go through frame by frame, I'm going to use the left and right arrow keys, and I'm going to move back until I get right to the first frame that I want, which is this here. Once again, pressing the I button. We can see that this is 1 second and 1 frame. So we're just going to go holding down that key. And then get to the end here and go back 1, and we'll set an out point there. All right. And now go back 1 more. There we go. Now we have 1 second exactly. And now we're going to add this by pressing the period key. There we go.